You will be ready with the activity, and the activity has to be with the end in mind. आप close कैसे कर रहे हो उस activity को, ये आपको पता होना चाहिए, right? If you want, I can give you more activities also, no worries. Don't feel that we are there for 1.5 hours, 2 days. If time be, मैं आपको third day भी कर सकता. I have no worries at all. The idea is everybody here should become a powerful speaker. थोड़ा जो आज थे वो आज से better होना चाहिए. Okay, now tomorrow we are going to talk about how to be more confident, which I'm going to do. But मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाह रही हूँ. So I'm going to show you a few videos. आपको वॉल्यूम कभी आएगा कभी नहीं भी आएगा. वॉल्यूम इज नॉट द पर्पस, राइट? एंड इट इज गोइंग टू कम टू यू. तो आपके पास तो आ ही रहा है. ओके, आर यू एबल टू हियर?
No.
Okay.
No,
This
ma'am.
is okay. This is Chatur. You remember Chatur?
Yes.
Okay. You remember
Yes,
Chatur?
ma'am.
Now, now what was the problem with Chatur? वो सब कुछ, voice का don't worry about the voice, right? The idea behind showing Chatur over here is वो पूरा body language अच्छा है, looking with the audience. Now here he had a linguistic problem. He just ruttered everything. He did not know what he's speaking. So he ruttered. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now this is another one. Public speaking does not always happen on stage. Let's see this fellow. Look at this. Just आवाज नहीं सुनना है, वो आपको आराम से आपके पास आ जाएगा. Don't worry with the volume. I tried doing voice. Do you see the body language?
No.
So just mute. No, मैंने करके रखा है mute because otherwise it will go like that. I'll send it to you. I want you to only observe the body language. Now this person here in public. Now imagine such a funny body language. Right. This person should be in authority. वो पुलिस ऑफिसर बन के आया है भीड़ में. The person should have been in some authority. Right. So we are going to send you some videos. Right. Please observe. ये सब आपको सुनना है. And tomorrow you are going to tell me, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I'm not going to show you time क्यों waste करना, which you say. They are very small, less than 50 seconds, 5 videos which I'm sharing with each one of you. Today you will get. And what you have to tell me is, okay, yeah. Sorry. So what you have to tell me is, once you watch these videos, all what you have to tell me is that what did you understand from there, what you heard and what you saw in the body language. Correct? So 2 tasks for tomorrow. Number 1 task is you have to hear the horn, siren and the whistle, and you have to tell me what किस में आपको modulation सबसे अच्छा दिखाई दिया. Number 2, you have to listen to these 50-second videos. हम आपको अलग से वीडियो पीपीटी के अलावा भेज देंगे ताकि आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आए कि चला नहीं चला ये वो करके. नो प्रॉब्लम. वीडियो अलग अभी क्या अभी ग्रुप में शेयर कर देंगे. Right, so you will get the videos. Just listen to them and try to identify their voices, what they were speaking, the content, the voice, the body language. Okay. And now today, before we close the workshop, if you imagine yourself as a public speaker, please tell me आपके दिमाग में कौन सी setting आती है, कौन सा stage आपके दिमाग में आता है? Where do you see yourself? What is the topic which comes into your mind? What kind of audience would you like to speak to? मतलब imagine करो कि आप बोल रहे हो. And how are you going to close your? I'm not asking open. I'm asking how are you going to close your session? So please tell me on what setting are you speaking? आपके दिमाग में कौन सी stage आती है? Okay.
Ma'am, those who are aware.
Okay. Sir, what did you say? Sorry, once again.
Ma'am, those who are aware, the kind of aware.
Sir, stage. जैसे आपके stage के सामने, are you speaking with 50 people, 100 people, 500 people? You are speaking to students, you are speaking to teachers, you are speaking to public. कौन सी stage setting आती है? Stage. What setting comes to your mind? You have to tell me the setting, the location. कहाँ आपके दिमाग में आप पब्लिक स्पीकर बन गए हैं और आप बोल रहे हैं, बिकॉज इफ यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग, एनुअल फंक्शन सेजल मैम, फैंटास्टिक, वेरी नाइस आंसर. ओके, इवाना मैम, या प्लीज please. Yeah.
Any college fest sort of.
Any college fest, right? Great. So you are imagining yourself speaking over there. On what topic are you speaking? Training teachers, Navneeta ma'am. Great, super.
I'm in schools like
Ma'am, Garba events.
Garba event. Okay, yeah, great. Yes, sir. Yes, sorry. Yeah.
21st century skills.
21st century skills you are speaking on. Okay. I heard Devanshi. Yeah, you were saying something.
Ma'am, I was talking about the setting as I'm a student, so I would obviously imagine it in a school setting in front of teachers and students. And the topic on which I'll be speaking, it will be some political topic, like, you know, current affairs, everyday topic.
Fantastic. Oh my God, so many data and statistics you will have to be prepared. Because if you are addressing that audience, you cannot be going wrong on any data and statistics because कोई पकड़ लेगा नहीं तो अगर गड़बड़ कर दिया तो, right?
Empathy and integrity among students.
Okay, among students. So everybody is getting some idea. Okay, Mary Stella ma'am, you haven't spoken. Okay, so audience, everybody knows. You also have to know today. So in case you are not able to think, right, you have to. आज ही सोचना पड़ेगा कि what is your audience. Somebody who has not given me the answer till now, please think. So tomorrow we are going to, this is on day 2. So when I meet on day 2, let me close the session. I have not yet closed the session. Right, somebody, some whistle, कोयल बोल रहा है या whistle आ रहा है, I don't know. Right, some sound is coming. So now here, it's very important. Please tell me, after spending learning time together, how many of you feel that you are going with at least more than 3 learning takeaways? 3 से ज़्यादा नई चीज़ सीखी आज. Okay, please, you can raise hands, tell me in the chat box, unmute, anything. Anything will do. 3 से ज़्यादा नई चीज़. Okay. So you will be sharing in the group. We'll open the group. You have to share in the group what are your learning takeaways, individual, ताकि हमको ये पता चले कि मेरे को, this is for me, how I have to make it for tomorrow. मेरे को क्या कल के लिए prepare करना है. So please tell me your learning takeaways. आराम से group में. Right. Once we share, आपके साथ आज का हम material share करेंगे, recording ये सब, whatever we are going to share, please. Now, Devansh, please let me know. Though we have tried to keep in mind people from education background into one group, people from other professionals into another group. So in case anybody wants a specific need, मेरा ये specific need है, this is my specific need in the workshop, please let us know. We will try to rope it in the workshop tomorrow. Otherwise, we are personally also, I am personally going to get in connect with you. No worries at all on this. Right. Okay. Yeah, okay. Shabab ma'am, not here in the group, बाद में group में करिएगा. Shabab ma'am is sharing in the chat box. That's great. Okay, how many of you feel that you will be able to, my second question. First question was that you have learned more than 3 takeaways. Number 2, how many of you feel that whatever you have learned, it is applicable? You will be able to apply. Ask the map, owner map. Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, I'll be able to apply it as I have to give my like, you know, public speaking wala thing in the school, so it will help me a lot over there.
Thank you, Devansh. That means so much to me. When you say, I haven't met you, but would like to definitely speak at length because many others I have been speaking to also. So thank you, Devansh, for this feedback. It really means so much to me. Okay. And my third and the last question is that is everybody ready, given a chance? Is everybody ready with like Devansh has already told about political topics or something, 3 topics, clear-cut topics in your mind, and audience also. Number of audience and type of audience whom you're going to address to. If yes, today in the group, we are going to ask you 3 things. We are going to ask you to share. Yes, Akansha, that's okay. Perfectly fine. We are almost closing. We'll share in the group. No worries, Akansha, ma'am. You can leave. I'm about to close. Right. So we are going to ask you in one single message to share your Insta ID in case Facebook or LinkedIn. So 3 IDs we'll ask. Why? You'll get to know tomorrow. So we are going to do after this. This group will be staying only for a few days. Then I'll merge this group with my skill group only once the certificates and everything happens. And so, but we'll utilize this group. So I hope everybody recalls the homework. Everybody recalls everything. You're going to get a lot of resources today also. be prepared, share anything you wish us. Thank you for being part of public speaking. The country needs a lot of public speakers. Trust me, we don't have many. It is not that anybody who can speak becomes a public speaker. So there are people, those who are speaking, and people by force are listening to them. The country really needs fantastic public speakers. Imagine yourself over there. Imagine yourself impacting people's lives. You have the power. I am just here to support you. My role is only to support you, nothing else. So with this, Jai Hind for today. Thank you. Right. So formally we've closed.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. What learned so many things.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.